A former associate of ex-Trump advisor Roger Stone is challenging the validity and power of special counsel Robert Mueller. Andrew Mueller, who served as a scheduler for Roger Stone in 2016, was subpoenaed by the Mueller team to appear before a grand jury and testify in matters related to WikiLeaks and other topics. Mueller was charged with contempt, a charge his attorney actually invited because it allowed for Mueller to challenge the legitimacy of Mueller's probe. Attorney Paul Kaminer told Melissa Francis on this story that he was interviewed by the FBI in May and turned over documents but turned down a subpoena for a June court date. Kaminer challenged that Mueller's appointment does not fall in line with any statute since such appointments must be made by the Attorney General. Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein appointed Mueller. The Associated Press reported Kaminer argued after the proceedings that Mueller's appointment is unconstitutional. He asserted that Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein did not have the authority to appoint Mueller to lead the investigation into Trump campaign contacts with Russia. Previous challenges to Mueller's legitimacy have failed. Kaminer also said a prosecutor with powers as broad as Mueller's should be treated like a U.S. attorney and be subject to Senate confirmation. There's been no authority, we say, that gives the Justice Department the power to appoint Mr. Mueller, Kaminer told reporters outside the courthouse in Washington after Mueller was held in contempt for refusing to appear before the grand jury. Mueller and Kaminer also contend that Mueller did not go through a Senate confirmation, which they say violates the Constitution. Kaminer said the case is likely to end up before the Supreme Court and displays serious constitutional issues as to whether Mueller was properly appointed.